Okay, so we're trying to find the inverse of this matrix. This matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. How are we going to do it? We are not finding 3 by 3 inverses by hand. There is a way to do it. I had to do it back when I was in school. Isn't that what old teachers always say? And actually, when I was a young new teacher, a long time ago, I made my students do it by hand as well. But in the last decade, technology has improved so nicely that there's just no reason to do 3 by 3 inverses by hand. Everybody does them with computers. And so that's really the way we're going to do it. So I'm going to show it right now by going out to the website desmos.com and doing it there, or you can do it on a TI-84 graphing calculator, which I'll attach a second video to this one that shows how to do it that way. If you happen to have one of those, I'll show the Desmos way right now, and we'll find the inverse of this thing. So let's do it, and we're going to get that answer. So I'm going to go to my web browser. That's actually Desmos there, but I'll show you how I found that. I just went to my search, my browser, and I typed in Desmos matrices or matrix, either one, it'll work fine. Desmos matrices or matrix. There it is. It's the first entry, matrix calculator Desmos. Click on that. Make this a little bigger. So now first thing is you hit new matrix right in the middle. Now we don't need 2 by 2, we need a 3 by 3. So I gotta up the rows to 3 and up the columns to 3 and click add. So now let me put in the original matrix, which was 1, 0, 0, minus 5, 1, 0, and 2, 0, 1, and hit enter in the lower right hand corner, enter. So there's matrix A. Let me show you back over here. That was matrix A right there. I just put in matrix A. Now we're going to hit the inverse and hopefully get that answer. Let's go back and see it. So now move it up here. To get the inverse, I'm going to hit the A and then the inverse button. Inverse. Oh, and I got to hit enter. Enter. Oh, there it is. No. Yeah, that is the inverse. I'm a little confused. There it is. There is the inverse. It did it. It looks similar to the original, but that indeed is the inverse. You can see if you compare back. So there it is on the Desmos graphing calculator. The website's free, or the other video will show you how to do it on the TI-84 calculator. So there we go.